What's up, you guys? Wait. Oh, hey.
Hey!
Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful smoky look with a bold red lip inspired by Aaliyah. Keep sleeping in peace, baby girl. If you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start out with a base, obviously, all the time, like how I always do. I'm kind of getting tired of primers and everything, so I'm just gonna use my Smashbox primer water. It's just a lot easier. I really want to use my Pomegranate, but I know this is like my summer shade and it's way... Look at that. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my Tarte Multitasking Foundation. Yeah, because that one's a little light, so we can mix it with that. So you guys, how have 2020 been going for you guys? I'm not a huge holiday person. If you guys personally know me like very well, like if you know me since I was a child, you would know that I'm not really a fan of holidays anymore. But yeah, after the New Year's, I've been feeling very motivated, positive. I've had a couple of unfortunate, nothing too crazy, but like just a couple unfortunate things happen to me, and I'm honestly taking it very, very well because, you know, I see that as growth. I just honestly have a very positive outlook on everything, and you know, things are good. But today, oh, they were trying it today. So today when I woke up, everything was running very, very smoothly. I went to go run some errands and I went to go get my nails done, right? Found parking right away. I got a soak, got rid of, you know, the old acrylics that I had. These are my natural nails. I gave them a trim and I got a full set with cute little diamonds and everything. My mom comes to the nail salon because I tell her, I'm like, oh, I'm almost done so we can start getting ready to head out. She comes to me and she's like, so I just walked past your car and they gave you a ticket. I was like, oh, a ticket, huh? She's like, I think it was because you parked too close to the pump. And I'm like, but I'm very sure that I was pretty far away from that pump. I parked in areas where I was next to a pump and I was like kind of close and I never got a ticket for it. And this time that I did park by a pump, I was pretty far. I asked her, I'm like, oh, did you look at the ticket to see how much it was? She's like, no, I just saw the orange little paper, but it's probably like about $30-something. I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani concealer in 8.75. We're walking back to the car. You know, I'm looking at the car and the distance, this is mad far away. Why are they going so hard for? I opened the ticket. Bro, that was $65. I was like, okay, I see how it is. I see how it is now. 65 dollars, bro. And then that's a little misfortune. It can happen to anybody. So I'm like, damn, I just paid like about $80 to get my nails done. Now I gotta pay the $65 ticket. This is why you're a makeup artist. This is why you have a side job. This is why you're working on your YouTube. This is why you're working on multiple incomes, because you know you're gonna be good. You're working on things, you're gonna be good. Things like this is gonna happen, right? In my head, I'm like, don't worry, Didi, you got this. Oh yeah, my nickname is Didi, so I call myself Didi, and like childhood friends and family members call me Didi. In my head, I'm like, you got this, Didi. It's I get home, I get a letter in the mail from my credit card. I thought, because there was a number on the top, it was like 1,002 something, and I thought they raised up my credit. I didn't really pay attention to it because like I'm so on top of my credit card, so I'm like, I already know what they're gonna say. So I'm reading the letter and I'm looking at the transactions, and that says $420 transaction from Hertz Rent a Car in Mount Haven or something like that. I call my brother, I'm like, did you rent a car? He's like, nah, like you bugging. And then I'm just like, what the f? I look at the date, that said December 26th, and I'm just like, $420 when I see the amount, it says that, oh, I owe $1,200 something, and I'm like, hold the up. I've been paying my shit and I do not owe this much. Like, I am so strict when it comes to my credit cards. Like, I do not play around with my credit cards. And I'm just like, nah, these niggas. He's like, yo, call, they doing fraud on your card. I'm like, wow. This is like the first time I ever like went through a big ass fraud transaction like that. Like 420 I'm spitting, I'm sorry. $420, bro. I call and they're like, oh, we're gonna cancel it right now. That transaction is gonna have to go under investigation for 30 days, and then in 30 days you'll get your credit back, and then you gotta wait in the mail to get your new credit card. I'm like, okay. And then, oh my god, before all of this though, bro, I got to the nail salon early because I know how like crazy it gets. It's slow there, like there aren't a lot of workers. Yo, shorty was taking forever to take off my nails, and I guess she doesn't really do nails. She's learning how to, so they have her like removing the nails first, and then I'll go to another tech so she can actually do my nails. Bro, I was there for like 3 hours and there was nobody in the shop. There was only like a few people, but I was like one of the first people that they took. Like, there was nobody in the shop. I was there for like 3 hours, bro. Like, we left early to get things done early. Like, I was supposed to go to the mall after and like return something, but then it got too late. And I'm like, yo, this day is pushing my buttons, bitch. It's all about the way that you react to things. And I'm going to breathe. I'm gonna light this candle right here. I'm gonna inhale the salted caramel. I'm gonna continue, stay motivated, and do what I gotta do. Tomorrow is a new day. An hour has passed. All that shit that happened is in the past, and I'm moving forward. The contour that I use is my Milk Makeup Flex Foundation in Cocoa, and this is a Morphe G3 brush. I said in one of my videos that I've been watching a YouTuber. Her name is The Practical Witch, and she does readings and everything for your horoscope sign, and it's really interesting. And I said I didn't really want to elaborate on it because I just don't want to, but whatever. It's like, but just one of the things that just really stood out to me is that she just kept saying that I'm really gonna have to work my ass off, or I'm gonna really work my ass off. I tend to take things a little bit too literal, because the day before yesterday I was filming because I was off from work. Back then I would just film one video, but now I'm honestly trying to film like about 2 to 3 videos when I sit down and film. The day before yesterday I filmed a before and after, like everyday makeup look. And after that I was gonna film a smoke sesh. It was a video that you guys requested. I asked you guys what kind of videos you want me to film, what are your favorite like videos to watch, and I'll film it for you. And boom, I was gonna knock 2 videos in one day. And if I still had the strength, 3. By the end of the first video, I started getting a headache. I'm just like, why? My body was not feeling it. Like, the headache kept getting stronger and stronger, and I just didn't know how to get rid of it. What happened? Ended up taking a nap. I'm using my Hourglass translucent powder to set my under eyes with a Real Technique setting brush. Now I'm gonna mix my 2 favorite bronzers. These are the Fenty bronzers in Beijing Girl and Mocha Mommy. I want to hurry up and finish this because I really want to film my other one. Like, I want to smoke. I wanted to do it so bad yesterday, bro, but that headache was killing me. I'm gonna highlight now with my NARS Orgasm highlighter. This is a beautiful brown girl highlighter. I say brown girl because, girl, let me tell you, I thought this was a color for all skin tone, and I used this on a fair client. That shit came out pink. I was like, oh. And I was so excited to use it on her too. I'm like, so we're gonna use, I'm over here talking to her like I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'm like, girl, I'm gonna put you on. I've been watching a lot of motivational YouTubers. Oh my god, do you guys follow Russell Brand? He is a genius. I love his YouTube channel. Like, he just makes you feel so dumb because the way he just talks to you about the universe and just the way of thinking is just so simple. You just have to simply do it. There's no trick to it. There's no trick to a happy life, a successful life. You just have to do it. You are in control of your life. He talks about a lot of healing your soul, your heart, your mind, everything. All that is just so important. This line has stuck with me ever since it came out of my brother's mouth. My oldest brother, he's in jail right now. I made a video about it, but I think I took it off because I started crying. Like, I couldn't hold back my tears, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm just not gonna keep that video up. It was an updated video. I was trying my best to stay strong, but whew, my brother's in jail, and he said this when they give you like your final words that you can say during your trial. So they gave him time to speak, and I wish I could have recorded that speech or just magically memorized it, because it was the most beautiful speech that I ever heard in my life. The way that he started, he was saying, I remember when I went to an Oprah Winfrey show, and he said, what stood out to me is when she said, we are all spiritual beings having a human experience. Working, money, stress, that's not spiritual. That is a human experience. We are spirits, we are souls. All of this physical shit, no, man, it doesn't exist. And that just changed my whole perspective of life, because it's all about, yo, what you feel inside is your happiness, positivity. Without that, you will self-destruct. You will kill yourself. People literally want to kill themselves because they're so depressed. They don't know how to deal with their emotions. They don't know how to overcome their emotions. I'm sorry, yo, I'm so sorry if I offend anybody that, you know, they say they suffer with anxiety. That's not real. That's not real. That's all in your head. Like, I understand it's something very, very hard to overcome, because I'm not gonna lie, randomly one time I caught a crazy ass, I'm sorry, I just started talking and I'm not even doing my makeup. I was going through a lot. I was really young, you know, I lost my seasonal job and I was trying to find another job, so I was willing to work anywhere. And then at the time they were really strict with like drug testing, so I stopped smoking for 6 months. But I caught an anxiety attack. That shit felt so crazy. I had like no control over it. But honestly, I just feel like that type of problem, you can overcome that. You know, it's not like a real disease. I don't want to say it like that, you know. I don't want to, because to me a disease is like an STD. Anyone can overcome that. I believe in you. I believe in you. When my brother said that, mind blown. Today, I went through what I went through, right? Like, little things just kept happening after the other. Shorty was taking hella long to do my nails. I got a parking ticket. I had to pay for my nails. That was another bill right there. Boom. Come home, find out that someone's using my credit card on the low and renting cars. $420? But it's like, you know what? That's all a human experience. Souls don't give a f about parking tickets. Souls don't give a f about no car. Souls don't care about no nails. It's a human experience. Shut up. So you think about that the next time you go through something so small. I use Rustic from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This one right here. I'm gonna go into Noir. That's the black shade. I am struggling with this smoky eye, god damn it. I'm gonna use my Sephora editorial palette and I'm gonna go into this dark purple right here. The more I keep looking at this picture of the makeup look, the more colors I am starting to see. Like, the more I'm zooming in, and wow, I want to know who her makeup artist was. I'm gonna line my lid and my waterline with Marc Jacobs highliner pencil in blacker. Nope, I can't do this holding a mirror. I'll be right back. Now it's starting to come together with the liner. And this is another goal of mine. Like I said in my before and after makeup tutorial, my goal is to feel very uncomfortable this year. If you're too comfortable with the way life is right now and you know, you just want to stay in that one little spot, you're not gonna go anywhere. I really want to work on feeling uncomfortable. And I don't feel comfortable doing this look because I feel like I'm doing a terrible job. I'm gonna apply some lashes. These are just some lashes that I found in my bathroom. I'm gonna just move on to lips. I'm gonna use my Anastasia liquid lipstick in Seraphine or Seraphine, I don't know. See, if you don't take your time with this look, you could look like a real clown really fast because I feel like the Joker right now. I'm gonna use that Fenty Beauty Underdog liquid lipstick. Gonna put a bit of that on top just to darken it. My lashes are drying. I'm gonna pop those on and I'm gonna be right back. And I'm gonna put the gloss. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss on top of this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I'm looking at this in the mirror right now and I'm obsessed with it. I honestly didn't think that this was gonna turn out good, but wow. I look amazing. No wonder she was so fierce in that music video, because with this makeup on, oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already and give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys very soon.